Lay Kingston eggs in the chalice, yeah man. Me pack me bag with vinyl and dreams, a small piece of ganja and coconut creams. Me leave the city, me nah look back. Me chase the sun pan reggae track. Me foot them tired but me soul stay firm. Each step a story, each mile a term. From Kingston streets to Ethiopian land, me carry Jah message in a me hand. Border can't stop the spirit man. Me passport stamped with Cyan plan. Them ask me why me travel so far. Me say me follow the rhythm, me follow the star. Rootsman Traveller, ride with breeze. Tell Jah story under mango trees. No map needed, me move by vibe. Rasta heart keep me soul alive. Rootsman Traveller, cross the sea from mountains high to deep valley. Me nah seek gold, me nah seek fame. Me only chant the most high name. Me meet a elder up in a Peru. Him say, child, the roots live deep in you. Him show me herbs, him show me song. Me write them down and pass along. In a Thailand, me build bamboo hut. Smoke rise high, wisdom get cut. Me meditate on hills with man. Fi cleanse the soul from Babylon. Me reach Africa and me knees them bend. Give thanks for the earth, give thanks for the friend. Me drum speak language me can't define. It talk straight to the heart, straight to the spine. Me walk through markets, barefoot and bold. Exchange rhythm for story untold. Me chant in a desert, me chant in a rain. Me voice mix with thunder, ease the pain. From dreadlocks village to concrete town. Me carry roots even if them frown. Each culture teach, each youth a mirror. Me sight me reflection clearer and clear. Man traveler make road in bed. Chant Psalm 23 when things get dread. Me nah fear border or customs gate. Me bring Jah message, me bring pure faith. Rootsman Traveller, ride the bass. Me levitate on reggae space. Me compass is the herb me burn. Me lesson is every land me learn. Me reach Berlin and me feel cold, but inna me soul still fire old. The youth them link me with sound and light. Them say Rasta play all night. Me build rhythm in a studio cave. Me chant bout freedom, me chant fi brave. Me see tears drop from hardened face. Me know Jah message reach the place. Me nah build temple of brick and stone. Me temple walk, me temple roam. Me breath is prayer, me word is flame. Me sing not fi fortune, me chant Jah name. So if you see me pan winding lane with backpack full and no gold chain, know me a traveler of truth and fire. Me walk with Jah, me never tire. Rootsman traveler to the end, from one land to next. Me spirit send me, nah need mansion or penthouse key. Just earth, herb, rhythm and me free.
Zion. Roll this spliff, yeah man. Me rise with the sun pan mountain top. Miss round me like Jah never stop. Eyes closed but me sight feel wide. Rasta vision cut through every lie. Me bun the chalice, slow and wise. Smoke curl like serpent in a disguise. Each puff a question, each breath a prayer. Me inhale strength, exhale despair. The valley echo with ancient sound. plant with birds, me heart feel strong. No clock fi chase, no time for waste. Me sip roots tea, me life make haste. Mountains and mist carry me soul, far from system, far from control. In the heights, me find me peace, where the world is stress cease. Mountains and mist, Rasta way. Meditation all night, all day. No gold, no chain, just green and light. Jah walk with I through the sacred height. Me used to run through Babylon maze. Now me sit still in the morning haze. What them call I is me natural state. Me reason with tree, me talk to fate. Me dreadlocks catch the mountain breeze. Me heartbeat calm like ancient seas. Me nah need likes fi validate. Me live fi love, me move with faith. The goat climb rock, so me climb too. Me hold firm where few pass through. The harder the path, the deeper me chant. Me nah whisper, me soul one rant. Them ask what you seek up there. Me say Jah light in a mountain air. Me nah run down illusion wealth. Me build me temple with spiritual health. Me smoke herb, yes, but me still clear. Me see truth, them afraid fi hear. No pastor, no boss, just hills and breeze. Me sit in stillness, me heart at ease. Me meditate till me spirit lift. Each thought like feather in Jah gift. The mist wrap round like holy cloak. Me rise above where spirit spoke. Mountains and mist carry me soul, far from system, far from control. In the heights, me find me peace, where the world is stress cease. Mountains and mist, Rasta way. Meditation all night, all day. No gold, no chain, just green and light. Jah walk with I through the sacred high. Me tell youths come climb with I. Leave behind the concrete lie. Bring your drum, bring your fire. Let's chant higher and higher. Me nah preach from pulpit high. Me reason straight, no suit and tie. Me share me spliff, me share me space. Me build unity in Jah embrace. Me foot beer pan mountain rock, but me feel Jah love like steady clock. No fear the air, just sacred vibe. Me and creation in full tribe. So when life feel heavy and you can't cope, climb the mountain, burn the smoke. Sit still, breathe deep, feel Jah mist. Let your worries fall and twist. Mountains and mist, not just a scene. It's where Rasta mind stay clean. So me chant it loud, me chant it free. Jah inna the hill, Jah live in me.
Down by the riverside, where the ganja grow. All my Chalice, moving nice and slow. The sun and the sun, he works all day, singing his tunes. Let the music play. Old man Jah, with his straw hat low, tends to the plants where the green fields glow. He's known in the town as the Ganja King. People say these herbs make your soul sing. Yeah man, one day a stranger from the city did come, looking to make deals under the sun. He offered Jah money, a big old stack, but Jah just laughed and turned his back. Ay, ay, ay. Down by the riverside, where the ganja grow. Old man Jah live ain't seen it before. He said, me friend, this herb ain't for greed. It's medicine, love. That's all we need. We shared a story from days long past of how the ganja seed was meant to last. Me father taught me, me mother too. In the earth we find the truth. Oh, Jah's wisdom, pure as the breeze. In every leaf there's a tale of peace. The stranger bowed down, humbled by grace. In Jah's green field he found his place. Yeah, 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 yeah. Down by the riverside, where the ganja grow, old man Chalice.
Me light the herb, me feel their eyes. Me take a puff, me reach the skies. Me chant for the vibes, me chant for the sound. Me rise above, me never come down. Me pass the chalice, me feel the heat. Me chant the rhythm, me move the feet. Me smoke the green, me feel the flow. Me rise through the night, me let the smoke go. Highway to the sky, me rise to the top. Me blaze the fire, me never stop. Me smoke the ganja, me free from the pain. Me rise above, me break the chain. Me step in at the circle, me feel the vibes. Me light the spliff, me rise na strides. Me pass the herb, me pass the flame. Me chant the rhythm, me call the name. Me move in the smoke, me free in the fire. Me chant for the peace, me never tire. Me feel the rhythm, me feel the grace. Me rise above, me find my place. Highway to the sky, me rise to the top. Me blaze the fire, me never stop. Me smoke the ganja, me free from the pain. Me rise above, me break the chain. Me pass the chalice, me feel the peace. Me smoke the herb, me feel the release. Me rise to the heavens, me feel the light. Me chant for the herb, me free from the fight. Me light the fire, me feel the heat. Me pass the chalice, me take a seat. Me blaze the green, me move in the flow. Me chant for the herb, me let it show. Highway to the sky, me rise to the top. Me blaze the fire, me never stop. Me smoke the ganja, me free from the pain. Me rise above, me break the chain. Me light the herb, me rise so high. Me blaze the green, me touch the sky. Me feel the vibes, me chant the song. Me live for the herb, me live for the long. Highway to the sky, me rise to the top. Me blaze the fire, me never stop. Me smoke the ganja, me free from the pain. Me rise above, me break the chain. Me light the herb, me rise so high. Me blaze the green, me touch the sky. Me feel the vibes, me chant the song. Me live for the herb, me live for the long. Highway to the sky, me rise to the top. Me blaze the fire, me never stop. Me smoke the ganja, me free from the pain. Me rise above, me break the chain. Me light the herb, me rise so high. Me blaze the green, me touch the sky. Me feel the vibes, me chant the song. Me live for the herb, me live for the long. Highway to the sky, me rise to the top. Me blaze the fire, me never stop. Me smoke the ganja. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Rasta man is so high, yeah, man. Me wake up early, sun still sleep. Silence a guide and the vibes run deep. Me roll me spliff, give thanks for breath. Each inhale fight against mental death. Me nah seek crown, fi wear pan head. Me seek the strength where lion tread. In a jungle of mind, me find the roar. Me spirit rise like never before. The world full of noise and illusion smoke, but me burn Babylon like fire stroke. Me nah need suit or shiny bling. Me royalty come from Jah King. Me walk the lion's path, barefoot and bold. Heart full of fire, soul made of gold. Me chant truth, in a system lies. Lion within, never compromise. Me walk the lion's path, silence and storm. Every trial make the warrior farm. Me nah bow down, me stand and sing. Me trod with Jah, me rise like king. Me remember when me was youth man last, searching for worth in Babylon cast. But me find it in a roots and drum, in a herbs and morning sun. Me nah envy them flashy show. Me meditate where real things grow. Each step me take is prayer and fight. Me walk with shadows but me all light. Me no quick fi judge or throw no stone. Me overstand all flesh and bone, but me defend what righteous be. Me roar loud for all to see. Little lion in a concrete land, growl turn to roar by Jah hand. The system try cage the fire soul, but me break bars, me take back control. Me find strength in urban sound, in Rastafari, me solid ground. Each bass drop, a call to rise. Me see the truth behind disguise. Me walk the lion's path, barefoot and bold. Heart full of fire, soul made of gold. Me chant truth, in a system lies. Lion within, never compromise. Me walk the lion's path, silence and storm. Every trial make the warrior farm. Me nah bow down, me stand and sing. Me trod with Jah, me rise like king. Me sight youths get caught in web, fi phone and flash, them spirit ebb. Me say put down screen, pick up the sky. Open your heart, reach Jah most high. Me nah rich but me feel divine. Me joy grow like mountain vine. Me nah hide from life or test. Me face it all in a lion vest. For each mistake, me make me learn. For every fire, me deeper burn. Me not perfect, me not try be. Me just a lion roaming free. So if you see me walk through flame, no say me nah walk for fame. Me walk the path of roaring might. Me rise at dawn, me burn through night. Lion's path not always smooth, but it teach me how to move. And in this world of mask and fear, me roar remind them just still near.
Oh yeah, yeah. But I've been sure I am man feeling nice. Luba, bum bum, roll it up twice. Do what should be in the light. Way breezy, everything's right. Juma, humba, laughter in the air. But I've been the one, no worries, no care. Luba, she me sway to the beat. Bada bing, yeah man can't debate. Me move, hoorah, shua, inna the groove. Bada bing, ooh, feel the move. Duba, zip it, easy like breeze. Bada bing, yeah man just feel at ease. who feel the move. Duba, zippy, easy like breeze. Bada bing, yeah man, just feel a tease. Wait.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, give me the sweat cup. Yeah, man, another hot day. Yeah, man, in the vibes of Jah, we rise up, we fight, we love.
Babylon won't hold we down, but we too strong. Stand firm, my people. Babylon won't hold we down, but we too strong. Stand firm, my people. Roots of freedom, grow in this isle of love. We lift our hearts to Jah above. No chains can hold, no lies can bind. In the light of truth, we free our mind. Them say we weak, but we strong like a lion. Them try to stop we, but Jah is Zion. Every youth in a street, hear the rebel call. Stand up tall, we not bow at all. Them system wicked, but we have the cure. Righteous vibes make the spirit pure. Roots of freedom, grow in this isle of love. We lift our hearts to Jah above. No chains can hold, no lies can bind. In the light of truth, we free our mind. From Kingston town to Berlin city, reggae music spread just pity. One love, one heart, that's the way we roll. Keep the fire burning, Jah bless our soul. Them one divide we, but we stay united. In the light of Jah, we all ignited. Truth and justice, that's the only plan. No more oppression, freedom for every man. Oh, 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 feel the vibes in the air. Love and unity everywhere. Oh, oh, no more pain, no more fear. Jah Jah guide we, Jah Jah near. Roots of freedom, grow in this isle of love. We lift our hearts to Jah above. No chains can hold, no lies can bind. In the light of truth, we free our mind. Yeah, man, we rise again, stronger than ever before. The fire in our heart, the love in our soul. Babylon, your time done. Selah.
Rowaza Zion inna the Amazonas, yeah man, hot bats and sweat by my side.
Okay, let's go. Early morning, Vitos rise slow. Incense burn while the breeze blow. Spliffing a Svetka, thoughts let go. Me listen to heartbeat, me let it flow. No word, no rush, just Irie air. Me sit on stone, me spirit bare. Each puff a prayer to Jah above. Me link with source through trees and dove. No phone, no noise, no screen. Just me and dub in a nature scene. Bassline deep like river bed. Kick drum talk to me forehead. Dub meditation guide me soul. Heal me mind and make me whole. Me nah need crowd, me nah need fame. Me need one rhythm fi cool the flame. Dub meditation roots so wide. Me floating echo, me inner guide. Me higher self rise up high. And me third eye open to sky. Sound of water mixed with snare. Each hi-hat drop like mountain prayer. Me inhale wisdom, exhale fear. Me sit still till Jah draw near. Chalice bubble, fire red. Ancient voice echo in me head. Child of Cyan, keep it pure. This levity a jazz only cure. Me not chase vanity, not chase speed. Me plant good word, me nurture seed. One drop rhythm, me ride like wave. And in a silence, me feel brave. Meditate pan roots, levitate through truth. No shortcut in a Zion path. Only patience, only craft. Me reason with me higher one. Me vision blaze like midday sun. Me hear me ancestors talking tone. Say born illusion, walk alone. Dub meditation sound so clean. Sweep me soul like forest green. Me sit in stillness, me hear it all. From drop of rain to Naya Bingi call. Dub meditation in a night or day. When the world confused, me find me way. No preacher, no priest, just one job. Me and me herb on mountain top. Me see Babylon a run fast race. But me take me time, me keep me pace. Me mix herbs with blue mountain breeze. And chant psalms under almond trees. Them can't trap, who know in mind. Them can't stop, Rasta time. Me build temper in the heart. And let jazz dub play the part. Me not fi showed, fi make them hear. The rhythm teach them what's real fear. Is not fear of man or chain. Is fear of living life in vain. So if you feel lost, take a draw. Sit down in stillness, overstand Jala. No rush, no hype, just feel the tone. Dub meditation, make you know your own. From hills of Jamaica to Berlin snow. Rasta vibe forever flow. One rhythm, one smoke, one breath. Dub is the bridge between life and death.
Yeah, Rasta smoke your bamboos, bang your man.
Me step out barefoot pan sacred land. One drum, one chalice in me hand. Me nah need no mic fi chant truth. Me voice echo back from the mountain youth. Me light it up, not just fi eye, but fi touch the sky. Fi question why. Why them sell we peace in a plastic bag, while elders still walk with weary rag. Me say nah, not again, me say nah. Me born Babylon with holy Jah. Me drum talk louder than parliament speech. Me chalice teach more than what school preach. Drum and chalice, fire and smoke. Rasta rise when the world provoke. We nah need gold nor flashing light, just heartbeat strong and herb ignite. Drum and chalice, deep meditation. Spirit rebel in a sacred vibration. Hear the rhythm, feel the flame. In Jah name, we break them chain. Me sit in a circle with warrior soul. Elders chant while the ganja roll. Me nah hide me truth in silence cave. Me words like thunder, me chant fi brave. Them say me mad, me say me free. Me live by moon, by root, by tree. Me nah worship screen, me worship ground. Me find salvation on your bingy sound. Each puff a prayer, each beat a cry. Each step me take, me walk high. Me nah bow down, me nah conform. Me rise through storm like lion born. System try mash we mental state, but we drum rewrite that heavy fate. Me hold me chalice, me face the storm. Me rebel with love, me nah lukewarm. Them can't decode what Rasta know. Them fear the light, inna we glow. No badge, no crown, just clarity. Me kingdom built in simplicity. So me chant on war, me chant up peace. Me herb bring healing, me words release. Me rebel without no gun or knife. Me rebel with roots, music and life. Drum and chalice, fire and smoke. Rasta rise when the world provoke. We nah need gold nor flashing light. Just heartbeat strong and herb ignite. Drum and chalice, deep meditation. Spirit rebel in a sacred vibration. Hear the rhythm, feel the flame. In Jah name, we break them chain. Me seen too much, me feel too deep. Me can't pretend, me nah sleep. Me eyes wide like dawn, just break. Me know this system fake up and fake. So me burn it with love, me rise with style. Me walk righteous, mile by mile. Me reason with stars, me reason with rain. Me chant for joy, me chant through pain. Me share me spliff with me brethren near. Me share me wisdom, me share no fear. The youth them listen when rhythm strong. Me use the music fi right the wrong. So when the night feel dark and cold, grab your drum and herb of old. Me tell you truth, me nah disguise. Me rebel with sound, me rebel wise. Drum and chalice, that are me way. Me live free. Cyan and go. Yeah man. Take a puff, herb and Jah blessing. We feel the love, no second guessing. Ganja flow through me veins, me confessing. Life is a test, but me pass the lesson. Me inhale the smoke, me exhale the stress. Me spirit connect with the herbs no less. Jah bless the righteous, no need fi impress. Me heart full of joy, me life a progress. Me like the spliff, me rise above the pain. Me reach to the sky, me rise from the rain. The world may fall, but me remain. Herb and Jah, me life is sustained. Me roll the kush, me feel the breeze. Me meditate state, me find the peace. Me spirit at ease, me mind sees. Herb feel me soul, Jah's love never decrease. Me take a puff, herb and Jah blessing. Me feel the love, no second guessing. Ganja flow through me veins, me confessing. Life is a test, but me pass the lesson. Me walk through the fire, me rise through the flame. Me move on the road, me no play the game. Herb in me hand, me steady the same. Me rising at the struggle, me never feel shame. Me like the way, me pass the test. Me stay true, me give me best. Herb and Jah, me spirit manifest. Me rise on the road, me feel the bless. Take a puff, herb
blessing. Me feel the love, no second guessing. Ganja flow through me veins, me confessing. Life is a test, but me pass the lesson.
Yeah, man, me see the smoke rise up in the sky. Me light the spliff, me feel so high. Me just a chill, me feel the vibes. But things get crazy, hear the surprise. Step out, me ready for the day. Ganja in a hand, me head on the way. Me take the first puff, me feel the heat. But the smoke too strong, me can't compete. Me start for cough, my eyes them red. Me head spin round like me full of lead. Me try to speak, me lips them dry. But me just start laugh, me can't deny. Ganja miss up, me never expect. Me head start spin, me need to reflect. Me laughing now, can't stop the fun. Me took a hit, now me can't run. Ganja miss up, me feeling fine. My eyes them roll, me out of line. But just still guide me through the haze. Me rise again from the smoke-filled maze. Me stagger feet a bit, me start to sway. Me check me surrounding, it's a brand new day. Me try to walk, but me can't keep straight. Me step on the rocks, me fall on my plate. Me roll on the ground, me laugh so loud. Me vision blurry, me still feel proud. Me light another, but me take it slow. Me learn me lesson, me let the vibes flow. Ganja miss up, me never expect. My head starts spin, me need to reflect. Me laughing now, can't stop the fun. Me took a hit, now me can't run. Ganja miss up, me feeling fine. My eyes them roll, me out of line. But just still guide me through the haze. Me rise again from the smoke-filled maze. Me feel the rhythm, me start to groove. Me take me time, me let the herb move. Me rise up slow, me steady me pace. Me found me balance, me back in the race. Me light the fire, the vibes are sweet. Me take it easy, me can't be beat. Ganja teaches patience, me learn the way. Me move with the rhythm, me take the day. Ganja me shop, me never expect. Me head start spin, me need
Cyan elbows. Ay 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 ay. Ay 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 ay. Marcus Reggie. Herbs and hills, me heart so free. Me I feel Jah breeze from the tamarind tree. Babylon one chain, but them can't catch we. Rootsman chant, let your melody be. Roll up a spliff of strawberry kush. Like
Light it up slow, feel Jah push. Roll up a spliff of strawberry kush. Light it up slow, feel Jah push. Early morning me a blaze the fire. Zion drum beat lift me higher. Babylon come with them fake attire, but Rasta truth them can't acquire. Jah whisper through the trees them sway. The herbs I speak when me kneel fi pray. With me chalice full of the ganja tray. Rasta Marcus smile pan Zion way. Me say herbs for the healing, love for the soul. Rasta are the key fi unlock Jah goal. Babylon tremble, them heart run cold. Freedom of the path, it worth more than gold. Under the moonlight me chant and sing. The hills them echo, Jah blessings bring. Northern lights in a chalice swing. Jah vibes pure, let the spirits cling. Herbs and hills, Jah spirit fly. Me blaze blue dream, me touch the sky. Babylon fade, them can't deny. Rasta live on, Jah vibes not die. With me spliff in a hand, me soul so free. Jah guide the way, from sea to sea. The hills them sing, the stars agree. Herbs and hills, Jah love for we. Herbs and hills, Jah spirit fly. Me blaze blue dream, me touch the sky. Babylon fade, them can't deny. Rasta live on, Jah vibes not die. With me spliff in a hand, me soul so free. Jah guide the way, from sea to sea. The hills them sing, the stars agree. Herbs and hills, Jah love for we. Herbs and hills, me heart so free. Me I feel Jah breeze from the tamarind tree. Babylon one chain, but them can't catch we. Rootsman chant, let Jah melody be. Roll up a spliff of strawberry kush. Light it up slow, feel Jah push. Roll up a spliff of strawberry kush. Light it up slow, feel Jah push. Herbs and hills, me heart so free. Me I feel Jah breeze from the tamarind tree. Babylon one chain, but them can't catch we. Rootsman chant, let Jah melody be. Roll up a spliff of strawberry kush. Light it up slow, feel Jah push. Roll up a spliff of strawberry kush. Light it up slow, feel Jah push.
Oh yeah, one restraint, boy. Okay, just did. In the next few months. Less life, less life, less life, less life, less life, less life, less life. Cyan echoes. Hey, hey, hey. In the heart of Zion where the fire blaze, sacred herb chant, make the spirit raise. Rasta man gather under moonlit sky. Chalice light the way, Jah wisdom high. Babylon them tremble when the truth them hear. Sacred smoke rise, make the vision clear. Every drop a prayer, every puff divine. Herb meditation, make the soul align. Sacred herb chant, let the power flow. Truth in the fire, make the realness grow. Every root a story, every bud a light. Herb make the darkness fade in a night. Sacred herb, guide we way. Teach the youth from night to day. Chant Jah name in the healing breeze. Sacred herb bring the heart to ease. Them call it wicked, them call it wrong, but Jah herb make the weak man strong. Fields of green, them holy ground. Sacred herb make the love surround. In the chalice blaze, see the ancient sign. The herb connect we to the divine. Rasta chant rise up, make the system shake. Sacred herb make the spirit awake. Circle the fire, chant Jah song. Pass the herb, let the vibes prolong. Sacred smoke rise up to Jah throne. Herb meditation, make the truth be known. Sacred herb, guide we way. Teach the youth from night to day. Chant your name in the healing breeze. Sacred herb, bring the heart to ease. Forever blazing, Jah holy flame. Sacred herb chant, call Jah name. One love, one fire, unity. Sacred herb are the key for we.
Cyan echoes are, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah. Them a build up them walls, them a tighten the chain, them a try lock we down in a mental pain, but we mind too free. We spirit too strong, revolutionary fire burn Babylon long. Me hear the youth, them a ball, me see the struggle real. Them take we resources, them now make we heal. Them a sell out the culture, them want keep we blind. But Jah wisdom a liberate the mind. Them can't hold we, them can't break we. Jah people rise up, stand firm and stay free. From Kingston to Addis, we nah bow down. Babylon a fall when the trumpet sound. Me chant down the system, me fight for the youth. Me stand up for justice, me walk in a truth. Them can't keep we silent, we voice too loud. The warriors rise, we no blend in a crowd. The system corrupt, full of tricks and lies. Them a blind the youth, them a close the eyes. But me see the truth, me chant me song. The righteous arise and we march along. Me hear them a promise, but me know them fake. Them a take and take, them nah give nah make. The earth a cry out, the people them feel. But the power of Jah a make we heal. Me see the warriors, me see the queens, me see the elders. Still hold the dream, me see the fire, me see the fight. Me know the victory coming at the night. Them can't hold we, them can't break we. Jah people rise up, stand firm and stay free. From Kingston to Addis, we nah bow down. Babylon a fall when the trumpet sound. Babylon can't win, them fate done seal. Jah army a march with the truth like steel. No more oppression, no more lies. We stand up tall, we no compromise. Jah people rise up, Jah people rise up, Jah people rise up. Them a love a cheat up. Jah people rise up, Jah people rise up, Jah people rise up. Them a love a cheat up. Jah people rise up, Jah people rise up, Jah people rise up. Them a love a cheat up. Jah people rise up, Jah people rise up, Jah people rise up. Them a love a cheat up. Jah people rise up, Jah people rise up, Jah people rise up. Them a love a cheat up. Jah people rise up, Jah people rise up, Jah people rise up. Them a love a cheat up. Jah people rise up, Jah people rise up, Jah people rise up. Them a love a cheat up. Jah people rise up, Jah people rise up, Jah people rise up. Them a love a cheat up. Yeah. No. Cyan roots, ay ay ay. Drop
Tropicana cookies smoke. The chalice blaze in the circle of peace. The herb make the struggle and the pain release. Rasta man chant for the world to unite. The smoke rise high in the heart of night. Herb make the vision clear as day. Every puff a guide in Jah holy way. Babylon can't silence the ancient song. The chalice of freedom burn them wrong. Chalice of freedom, the fire ignite. Herb bring the truth, make the darkness light. From the valley deep to the mountainside. Chalice of freedom, make the spirit collide. Them call it a crime, but Jah call it love. Herb make the soul soar to the heavens above. The chalice a torch in the battle of lies. Herb meditation open the skies. I stand on the truth, me can't back down. Herb make the warrior wear the crown. Babylon tremble when the chalice rise. Herb are the weapon them can't disguise. Pass the chalice, let the healing flow. Herb vibration make the spirit grow. Freedom chant echo through Jah creation. Chalice blaze high in the meditation. Chalice of freedom, the fire ignite. Herb bring the truth, make the darkness light. From the valley deep to the mountainside. Chalice of freedom, make the spirit collide. Forever me hold the chalice strong. Herb make the heart find where it belong. The fire blaze high in Jah holy name. Chalice of freedom burn the Babylon flame. Hey. Yeah. Cyan roots. Ay ay ay. Tropicana cookies smoke. Hey. Yeah. Cyan roots. Ay ay ay. Tropicana cookies smoke. Hey. Yeah. Cyan roots. Ay ay ay. Tropicana cookies smoke. Hey. Yeah. Cyan roots. Ay ay ay. Tropicana cookies smoke.
Babylon they keep my herb. Babylon they keep my herb. Cyan story, Rasta glory. Babylon tremble, them can't change we. The lion heart beats, the fire burns strong. We chant Jah name, we right the wrong. Cyan story, Rasta glory. Babylon tremble, them can't change we. The lion heart beats, the fire burns strong. We chant Jah name, we right the wrong. Long time ago, in the rugged hills, Rasta man rise with Jah will. Him plant the herb, fi heal the land. A true lion warrior stand strong and grand. Babylon come with them soldier train, but the herbs still grow and we feel no pain. With blue dream lighting up the night, him chant Jah words till the morning bright. Cyan story, Rasta glory. Babylon tremble, them can't change we. The lion heart beats, the fire burns strong. We chant Jah name, we right the wrong. The Rasta king, him wise and bold. Him spirit can't buy, can't take nor soul. Him say Babylon system time fi fall. One love for the world, equal rights for all. The chalice place, him vision clear. Him show with the path, make the truths appear. Them can't stop the wave, Jah plan supreme. We live for the herb, we live for the dream. Cyan story, Rasta glory. Babylon tremble, them can't change we. The lion heart beats, the fire burns strong. We chant Jah name, we right the wrong. Cyan story, Rasta glory. Babylon tremble, them can't change we. The lion heart beats, the fire burns strong. We chant Jah name, we right the wrong. So hear the chant, the Rasta call. Cyan rise higher, Babylon fall. This a story, we tell it long. Forever Rasta, the fire strong. Cyan story, Rasta glory. Babylon tremble, them can't change we. The lion heart beats, the fire burns strong. We chant Jah name, we right the wrong. Cyan story, Rasta glory. Babylon tremble, them can't change we. The lion heart beats, the fire burns strong. We chant Jah name, we right the wrong. Cyan story.
Cyan roots. We rise in the morning, sun so bright. We light the herb, we feel the light. Trust in the journey, live the way. Island life, rise every day. Island life, we rise so strong. Me light the herb all day long. Through the struggles, me find my way. Island life, rise every day. Born on the island, me feel the vibe. Me light the herb, me feel alive. Through the pain, me face the fight. But me rise, Jah hold me tight. The island life, it no easy. But me rise strong, Jah keep me free. Me face the trials, me face the test. But me rise above, me do me best. Island life, me rise so strong. Me light the herb all day long. Through the struggles, me find my way. Island life, rise every day. Me no fear the pressure, me no fear the stress. Me trust in Jah, me feel the bless. Me face the storms, me face the rains. But me rise from the struggles and pains. Me walk with my brothers, me walk with my sisters. Me trust in Jah, me rise as a mister. Me face the hardships, me face the test. But me rise above, me do me best. Island life, me rise so strong. Me light the herb all day long. Through the struggles, me find my way. Island life, rise every day. Island life, me rise with pride. Me light the herb, me free the tide. Trust in Jah, trust in the way. Island life, rise every day.
Yeah. Oh, 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 Zion roots. Oh, Zion roots. I, Rasta man so high. Yeah, man. Positive vibes, me rise every day. Me like the herb, me find me way. Through these struggles, me never stop. Positive vibes, me rise to the top. Me rise in the morning, me rise in the light. Me light the herb, me feel the right. Me face the struggles, me face the test. But me rise above, me do me best. Me trust in Jah, me trust in the flow. Me light the herb, me let it glow. Me face the trials, me face the strife. But me rise above, me embrace the life. Me spread the vibes, me spread the love. Me trust in Jah, me rise above. Me light the herb, me stay so strong. Positive vibes, me sing me song. Positive vibes, me rise every day. Me light the herb, me find me way. Through the struggles, me never stop. Positive vibes, me rise to the top. Me trust in the journey, me trust in the plan. Me rise with Jah, me baby man. Me light the herb, me feel the peace. Me rise every day, me soul release. Me face the pressures, me face the pain. Me rise it strong, me no complain. Me trust in the vibes, me trust in the flow. Me light the herb, me let it grow. Positive vibes, me rise every day. Me light the herb, me find me way. Through the struggles, me never stop. Positive vibes, me rise to the top. Me rise with Jah, me rise with pride. Me light the herb, me feel the tide. Positive vibes, me rise every day. Me trust in Jah, me find me way. Positive vibes, me rise every day. Me trust in Jah, me find me way. Oh yeah, me find me way. Oh yeah, oh yeah, me find me way. Oh yeah, me find me way. Oh yeah, 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 oh yeah, me find me way. Oh yeah.
Ay, 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 Archie cushion at the split. Yeah, man. Oh, this ya wanna feed the warriors we stand tall. Jah people unite, Babylon must fall. Them can't silence the truth. The fire call, rise up, Rasta youth, make we burn it all. Babylon walls must fall tonight. Jah fire burn them, the truth ignite. The system corrupt, them lose the fight. Babylon walls must fall, Jah light. Them build the walls high, them make it strong. But the heart of the people are beat for too long. The lies them tell, the system wrong. The power of Jah are the only song. The youth them suffer, the elders cry. Them poison the water, them block the sky. But the truth rise up, Jah never die. The walls crumble down, Jah justice nigh. Them say them powerful, but Jah laugh at them claim. Them rule with violence, them rule with shame. The people unite under Jah holy name. Them walls crumble down like fire and flame. Babylon walls must fall tonight. Jah fire burn them, the truth ignite. The system corrupt, them lose the fight. Babylon walls must fall, Jah light. Them chain up the mind, them lock up the youth. But Jah come fi free we with the holy truth. We see the revolution in the root. The herb light up, me chant for the fruit. Babylon fear when the people rise. Them can't stop Jah fire, it burn them lies. Herb bring the wisdom, it open me eyes. Them walls crumble down, Jah truth baptize. Them build them towers on the backs of the poor. Them take the riches, but Jah bring more. Me see the gates open, me see the pure. The blessings of Jah forever endure. Oh Jah, hear me Babylon crumble when Jah reply. Babylon walls must fall tonight. Jah fire burn them, the truth ignite. The system corrupt, them lose the fight. Babylon walls must fall, Jah light. The final days of Babylon draw near. The people rise up, Jah voice them here. Me walk through the rubble, the path so clear. Jah kingdom build strong, Jah love sincere. Me see the children, them smile once more. The herb make the healing, the blessings pour. Babylon lose, Jah take the score. Jah guide me path, Jah open the door. The elders rejoice, them chant Jah name. The youth them free from the system shame.